2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.